So this is day one of my trip back from Umeå to Karlskrona to get to ferry and get back to Poland. So I have roughly 7 days to do 1,400 kilometers. It would be really tough. I will be sleeping in tent most of the time. Yeah, so wish me luck. Yeah, this is Sweden. Roads are long everywhere. As far. Now you feel here as a cyclist, you feel here very safe, because every driver, whenever trying to, just takes a safe distance.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. 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 I'll never let you go.
So far so good. 330 kilometers. Good weather. Sun is shining. A little bit of headwind, but it might change. Yeah, much better than during midnight sun randonnée ride, because the start was in a wet conditions. The weather was not really good. Yeah. is not my friend today. Hopefully tomorrow.
To fly, but our wings were broken. Something that should have never been so far away. Feels like a lifetime ago.
Yeah, that's what I like Sweden for. That all buildings, all houses are in the same style. Looks very nice, very calm. No such noise. All from wood. Great. Trying to avoid E4 because it's too heavy traffic here. I prefer to go the wood roads. Oh man, very secure. A small detour because the commute decided that it's not the right way to go there. Yeah, it has to be an adventure. On the wrong side of the highway, and there is fence. I cannot go on the right side, so let's take a walk here. Seems a lot of people are using this one. You're probably asking how I ended up in this situation. Well, the story is that I took a short way, and now I have to spend a lot of time just finding the way out of this labyrinth of paths in the woods to avoid going to the highway. Hey, I don't want to go there. Let's go there. Okay, single track. Yeah, the weather is very nice. It's going to storm. Yeah. The sun is shining again and again. No people around.